Assalamu alaikum. Brothers and sisters in Islam, we are the best of all nations. For a reason, we carry the legacy collectively of the final messenger. Not only do we carry it, we preserve it, we protect it, and we raise a generation to successfully receive it from us with our passing. Brothers and sisters in Islam, nations are nothing but a makeup of great communities. And we know by design that communities are nothing but a makeup of great families. It is with this that Islam indeed has a say in how we raise our children. We've heard the statement, Islam isn't just a religion, but an entire way of life. This statement isn't a grouping of words, but rather a message of intent. Islam indeed is an entire way of life, and included in its laws are how we raise our children, their rights, the do's, the don'ts, the morals, the manners, and the etiquettes. We know that being disrespectful to our parents is from the major sins. Ibn al-Qayyim shares a reflection, and he says that despite being disrespectful to our parents being a major sin, Allah will question us first on the day of Qiyamah about how effective we were in raising our children before He questions us about how excellent we were to our own parents. With this understand, especially given in the 21st century, we can never have too many lectures, too many workshops, too much content related to how to raise our children in the 21st century from an Islamic perspective. The Islamic Council recognizes this, and as such, it has brought together a group of scholars, including this poor slave of Allah, to run a course, a practical course that inshallah will be a means of transformative parenting. Parenting inshallah upon the prophetic model. Look out for the dates and please register. I look forward to seeing you all there. I love you all for the sake of Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.